Hello dears and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial with Illustrator and effect menu, I'm going to show you the Stylize, SVG filters and warp. It's so simple guys. If you want to apply any effect on a selected object, as an example here I'm going to draw this rectangle shape and fill it with a color right here. And if I want to apply the effect on this, so simple, I'm going to click on effects. So here we need to go to the Stylize. With Stylize you can expect more effects like this drop shadow. This is really useful effect, like this feather, inner glow, outer glow, rounded corner and scribble. So let's try to apply this drop shadow first. I'm going to click at that. So with that you're going to get some options which is available with this drop shadow window, which I can change the mode from this multiply to normal, screen, overlay, soft light, or I can select anyone from this drop down menu according to my design need. So here I can increase the opacity for this shadow, and also I can set the X offset, and also I can set the Y offset. And also there we have this blur which is available here. I can increase or decrease the value for that. And also with drop shadow you can change the color. I can just click right here to change the color for drop shadow. If you want to change the color something like you don't want to see this black shadow, you want to just change it something different, so simply you're going to click right here. But if you want to go with the black, and here we have another option for this, which is this darkness, which I'm going to select now, and you can set the person like it's 100% right now. But if you want to change that, so simple, you're going to select that and you're going to set the value for that. So according to your design need, you can mess around with these options with this drop shadow, and you can just hit OK. So it's going to automatically apply for selected object. So under Stylize we have this feather, but for feather let's try to apply it with a different rectangle. So I'm going to delete that. So I'm going to draw this shape and we're going to change the color something like this. Go to effect, and here with Stylize I'm going to click on feather. So feather is something that is going to apply from all corners of this shape, because this is a rectangle shape. But if you are going to apply this feather to that, as you can see, it's going to apply, it's going to progress. And here as you can see, I can set the radius, so I can just decrease that. Now it's 100%, so it's applied on all corners of this rectangle shape. So this is how you can apply this feather if you want this kind of effect for any of your design project. And also with Stylize we have this inner glow and we have this outer glow. I can click on inner glow so I can show you the option. With that, it's so simple guys. You just need to select your object first, click at the effect, and you can set the options. So here I can set the mode for this inner glow, I can set the opacity, I can change the color, I can set the blur, or I can just select the inner glow, which is going to be on the center of this selected object or edge. So after you're going to done with the options, you just need to hit OK. So this is so simple to apply any effect on your object. So let's go with the round corner. So we have this rectangle shape, and if I want to apply this round corners, so simple, I'm going to click at this. So with that, you can set the radius something like, let's go with 100. I can go with 180 as well. So I'm going to just click on OK. As you can see, it applied on this rectangle shape. So we have this scribble. This is really cool effect guys. It can help you a lot to make backgrounds. You can use it for different purpose here. Like I can use it for this I can just use it for the background to look like I can just apply it with multiply. Let me show you here. If I'm going to apply this scribble effect, and here with the scribble options you have the settings. Like here, if you click at this drop down menu, so we have this the child like, you can select that. So you can see we have the dense, we have loose, we have this one which is this let me see, Moiri, this sharp sketch, we have this snarl, we have swash, tight, and zigzag. So if you are going to select any of the settings for this scribble, so then here we have the angles which you can change. You have the path overlap which you can just change that to inside, centered, or outside. And also we have variation, you can just make it wide or it's by default is none. So we have the line options as well. So as you can see the line, and you can change the line option like stroke width, I can increase that, the curveness of the lines, the variation as the spacing, and variation right here for that. So you can mess around the options. Let me show you how you can use it for the backgrounds. If you're going to use it, apply it something like this, and I want to use this for any background. Let's go with this color. I know this is a weird color, but just to show you guys here, I'm going to select this and click on opacity. So now here with blending mode, I can apply this multiply, lighten. You can use that something like this as well as a background. Like as you can see with the, I think it's with a screen. Yeah, it's a screen. So here, let me expand this. So you can use it like this if you're going to apply this blending mode, and you can use it for the purpose of background or any design. You can use that if you're going to choose any option from this scribble, and you can mess around that according to your design project need. You can set that and you can use it. So simple. Here we have this next effect which is available with effect menu, SVG filters. So we have this filters, like if I want to apply this pixel play, and here we have this shadow static. It's so simple guys, you just need to select your object, and if I'm going to apply it on this one, so let's try to apply this SVG. So we're going to apply this pixel play. So it's going to take a little time, but it's going to apply for the selected object. It's like a ready templates which is available right here. As you can see, the SVG filter you have specify cannot be previewed correctly in Illustrator, so we don't want to see that right now. Okay, that's fine, we don't want to see that. So it's so simple, you can just select any object. So simple, you just need to go to the effect and you can just apply any of the effects. Like this pixel play is going to look like pixel, this Gaussian blur, and we have more like this delete, and we have here the options for this SVG filters which we can apply SVG filter, and I can import SVG as well. So let's go with the warp. So here I can apply the warp on any object. With object menu, if you remembered, here we have envelope distort. So with that we have this make with warp. So you can use the shortcut which is alt plus shift plus control plus W. So I can click at that. So we have the same warp which I can change the style from this arc to this arc lower, arc upper, arc below G, this shell lower, shell upper, flag, wave, fish, rise, and fish eye, and flat, squeeze, and twist. So let's try to apply this warp option from effect menu. So here with that we have all the options available, and I'm going to click on arc. So the same thing here, we have this, and I can choose any style from here, and I can change this horizontal to vertical, and also we have this bend which I can change. And let me go with something shell lower, and I can just change this blend. And for distortion I can change horizontally, and also I can change that vertically. When you're done with the settings of warp options, you just need to hit OK. So now we just applied this effect, and we need to go to this appearance, and here we have this warp shell lower. If I want to edit that, so simple, I'm going to click at that. I can change the warp options. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to use this Stylize, SVG filters and warp with effect menu in Illustrator. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.